Man, it has been a long day of riding. I am beat. Let's park the bikes and get a fat beer. I'm really in the mood for a Corona.
Yeah, buddy.
It was a good ride, bruh. Good ride. Oh man, that Rebel's fun. All right.
So hot! So hot out here!
It is pretty warm. Welcome to winter in Florida.
He's a fat beer right
Are you guys ready for some beer skis?
My phone says it's 98 degrees. And freaking March.
Yep.
You guys want to go to the pool? Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, fuck good.
Let's pull it up.
Alright, let's go, dude. Oh, God. Hit it. Oh, I think the boys are calling. Doctor!
Doctors?
Doctor.
Okay, we are heading into labor. I am Dr. Blockhead, and I've got my degree at YouTube Academy. So let's see what we have. Oh, the headlight is crowning! We are going into labor really quick. We must hurry. Oh my God!
It's so hideous! Oh, Jesus!
Oh, okay. Pass me the wrench.
Doctor! Oh my God, what is it?
Don't give up on me now.
Oh, Jesus! What is that, Doctor?
I need hands. I need hands.
Grab it! Grab it! Get it!
Push, Mama!
Push!
Push, Mama!
Push! Come on!
Grab it, Doctor! Grab it, Doctor!
Oh, Jesus! It's a
baby girl!
Oh, dear God!
Holy!
Wait a minute!
It's beautiful!
Look!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Holy shit! There's another one! I'm gonna need cartoons! Shit! He's a fighter! The brake line is wrapped around the floor. It is not looking good. It's not looking good, but I think we got this. Doctor!
Coming, Doctor!
Okay, Mama.
Doctor.
Give me one good head! That's what I'm talking about, baby! It's another girl!
Doctor!
We did it!
So beautiful! It's so beautiful, Doctor!
Nurses!
Nurses! Where are you, nurses? Get over here!
I just want to say congratulations. We have 2 healthy baby grums, one white and one black. I couldn't be any happier to have been your doctor. I bet you are both very amazed and very satisfied with my work, so please recommend me to your next one. Hit the like button on YouTube. And don't forget, drop a comment down below.
Oh, it's a grum!
Eric, you're a grandpa.
Hey!